Ito. Wow, malaki. Okay. MCR. Okay. May tub. So, may towel. Yan. Okay. May door. Dental kit, toothbrush, toothpaste, shower cup, soap, hand and body lotion. Tapos, yan. Nakayan ko din. Then, shampoo, conditioner. Open natin. Okay, yan. Okay. May robe, may flashlight, mayroong yung plancha, and then ito pwede mag-plancha. Hindi, yan. Wait lang. Ito pa. Marami. Ito. No smoking in this room, please. Ayan. Yan yung bed. Ganda, diba? Okay, wow, ang daming tingin. Ito. Inita ng tubig. Water. Wow, generous water. Thank you, thank you. Kasi minsan dalawa lang yung nabibigay sa amin. Pero ngayon, apat siya sa tagdalawa. May phone. That is deluxe twin room. 2 single beds. Ayan. Wow, use my click code CLUCLURIS to get 5% discount in booking your hotels and activities. This is valid worldwide. Enjoy!